Today I'm going to be replacing the low beam bulbs in this Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, and we're going to be using Auxito LED bulbs. These are the H8, also the same as the H9, H11. They'll all fit, and they're simple plug and play. There's no additional wiring or adapters required that you may have to use if you were installing HID bulbs. This is what our bulbs look like. They're a nice looking bulb, nice and thin. They've got a built-in fan, standard connection. So the low beam projector bulbs on the outside, which is what we're going to replace, and it's nice and easy access. Just take this dust cover off. See the bulb in there. That's just a twist. See the back of the new bulb there. There's a little bit of extra wiring which we'll easily tuck inside. Bulbs in, we'll come back out at night and compare the two bulbs. So here we've got the new Auxito LED on the left and the original halogen on the right. You can see it looks much more modern. It's a cooler light. Matches the LED accent lights much better. So if you're looking for LEDs, go to auxito.com. You can use the code TITANTOWN, spelled like the logo there, but one word, for a 15% off discount code, and I'll put a link in the description down below. And in a minute, when it gets a bit darker, we'll check out the difference in light pattern. Okay, it's a little bit darker. Let's see if we can tell a difference here. I definitely can when I walk by. The new LED is quite a bit brighter. It looks way better. So it's not completely dark, but dark enough that we can see the light. On the right side we have our new LED bulb. On the left side we have our incandescent bulb. And you can tell right away that the right side is much brighter. We're exactly in the middle, in front of the car. If I go to cover up the incandescent bulb with my hand, you can barely tell. If I go to cover up the LED bulb, you can see it looks fairly significant, the shadow I'm casting. So like I said, if you want to upgrade your bulbs to LED, go to auxito.com, use the code TITANTOWN for 15% off. I'll put a link in the description. You can't go wrong with these LEDs. I've ran them in my Titan truck and they've worked well so far. So thanks for watching and see you next time.